Welcome back to Home Design Channel, where we explore the world of architecture, interior, and exterior design, bringing you inspiring ideas for your dream home. Hello, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Scandinavian interior design, where minimalism meets warmth and functionality intertwines with beauty. In the world of interior design, few styles evoke a sense of tranquility and simplicity quite like Scandinavian design. Originating from the Nordic countries of Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland, Scandinavian interior design has gained global popularity for its understated elegance, functionality, and connection to nature. Join us on a journey as we delve into the timeless allure of Scandinavian design. Scandinavian design is all about creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. The goal is to create interiors that are inviting, comfortable, and timeless. At the heart of Scandinavian design lies a deep appreciation for natural light. Large windows, sheer curtains, and strategically placed mirrors maximize daylight, creating bright and airy spaces that promote a sense of well-being. Furniture in Scandinavian design is characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and functionality. Pieces are often crafted from natural materials such as wood, leather, and wool, reflecting the region's rich natural resources. The focus is on quality craftsmanship, on comfort, aesthetically pleasing and enduring design rather than fleeting trends. When it comes to decor, less is more in Scandinavian design. Spaces are adorned with carefully curated accessories that serve both a functional and aesthetic purpose. From statement lighting fixtures to organic forms and botanical elements, each piece adds to the overall sense of harmony and balance. Rather than cluttering the space with accessories, the focus is on a few well-chosen pieces that add visual interest without overwhelming the room. In Scandinavian interior design, natural materials play a crucial role in creating the characteristic minimalist, functional, and cozy atmosphere. Scandinavian design embraces natural materials such as wood, stone, wool, cotton, linen, plant, and leather. Wood is perhaps the most quintessential material in Scandinavian design. Lightwoods such as pine, birch, and ash are favored for their natural appearance and ability to reflect light, contributing to the bright and airy feel typical of Scandinavian interiors. Wood is used for flooring, furniture, and decorative accents. High-quality leather is often incorporated into Scandinavian interiors through furniture upholstery, such as sofas, chairs, and ottomans. Leather adds warmth and texture to the space while also providing durability. Wool textiles, such as rugs, throws, and pillows, are commonly used to add softness, warmth, and visual interest to Scandinavian interiors. Natural wool fibers come in a variety of textures and can be found in neutral tones or subtle patterns. While less common than wood, stone is sometimes used in Scandinavian interiors. Natural stone countertops, fireplace, or wall can add a touch of organic texture and visual contrast to the predominantly light and neutral color palette. Living plants bring nature indoors and are an essential element of Scandinavian design. Potted plants such as succulents, ferns, and fiddle-leaf figs add color, texture, and a sense of vitality to the space, while also improving air quality. By incorporating these natural materials into the design, Scandinavian interiors achieve a harmonious balance between functionality, aesthetics, and a connection to nature, resulting in spaces that are both inviting and visually appealing. Overall, Scandinavian interior design is characterized by its simplicity and functionality. It creates spaces that are inviting, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish, making it a popular choice for home decor. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. We hope you're inspired to create your own Scandinavian oasis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy designing!